Hey guys, I'm going for my green belt. I am trying to pick the Master Lock 410 tag out series. I got this on Amazon, I believe, yesterday, and I got the red series. It's a pretty good lock. It was about 10 bucks. Came with stickers and put danger lockout, do not remove, property of scooter do. Comes with a key right here. I'll show you that functions. On, and it's a non-spring loaded lock. I believe it's a 6-pin lock. Show you that it's locked. I'll demonstrate it one more time. Lock it. Show you that's in the locked. And I'll put on my cheap Amazon vise right here. Tension that down, make sure it's not going. And I will use a 40 thousandths. That's a good tension wrench. Just from the subret and stuff. A lot of people recommend the culvert instruments. So that's what I am currently have. I don't have anything else right now besides some cheap Chinese stuff, but hopefully you can see that all right. I want to make sure you guys can see the keyway. I'm going to do a false set there. Oh, got some spool. Could be on pin 4. Got something on 3. Lost my false set, just got back. I'm gonna try 2. 2 might have set. Barely heard a click, but it popped. Trying to get my false set back now. And still nothing. Oh, there's my false set. Nothing on 4. Nothing on, oh, there we go. That was 3, I believe. Let's try 2. It feels like a lot of spools in here. Now I'm getting rotation, but it's not going. I don't want to lose my wrench. A little bit of rotation. I'm slipping off of that pin now. There we are. Well, seems like a lot of spool pins. I'll have to look it up. But there you can see. Show you. And we are open. That was the Master Lock 410 lockout tag out in red. It's very cool for construction workers. From what I read up, it's if they're working on like a fuse box or something, they can put this on, make sure someone doesn't turn the breaker on or anything like that and cause danger. And I believe this is my first belt, but I believe you can go out of order. This was the picking requirement, and now I'm going to demonstrate my ability to gut locks. I actually started practicing lock picking with a cheap Chinese set in high school. My dad actually was changing out the deadbolts and gave me this old Titan. And I practiced on paper clips and stuff back in the day. I did a little bit of damage to the springs and everything, as you'll probably see. But here's the key. It's a 5-pin standard, and I will show you that functions. There we are. I believe, yeah. So I'm just gonna basically unlock it. It has a little channel or C-clip in the back. I'm just gonna use this little Gerber to pop that out. Hopefully I could get it out within a reasonable amount of time. There we are. I'll put this in a 3D printed tray. They're a little hobby. It seems like everyone lockpicking has some decent hobbies. I found out I had to gut a lock for this green belt, which I have never done. I knew how it works, but I just never bought. So I bought a follower on Amazon. Actually came in today, so I wanted to attempt this green belt, and I'm like, why not do it in one take? So there's my follower through. Still gotta get all the correct terminology down. It's cool, you can see it's all lined up properly with that key in there. I'll call this front one 1, I believe that's how it's normally said. I will pop this one out. There's 1. I'll do 2, 2, 3, and here's 4, and lastly 5. Okay, and that's everything in the core. And now we'll do 1 by 1 and see what we got. See if we got steel or copper pins. Hopefully they don't jump all over the place. I'll show you a close-up once they're all out. Turn it upside down. Hopefully we could keep it from popping out. A little history on how I learned lockpicking was Bosnian Bill. I didn't have access to lockpicks, so I was doing a lot of watching YouTube and paper clips back in the day. This is high school. Got through college. I'm about 5 years into work now, so finally have some time to get back into lockpicking. I find it really relaxing. Okay. Nothing too fancy. We got one, I believe, copper, one steel, if I recall, just by the color from watching videos, but I could be wrong. I'll show you a close-up once I'm done. Got one that kind of shot out onto the tube. Okay, that's pin 3. I tell you, people that gut locks, I guess everyone that has been doing this for a while, I give them props, because I just watched a few videos and this is actually my second ever attempt. It's tricky, everything flies. Okay, there's my other one. Let's see if I get the spring out. I'm just gonna hold this in my mouth so I can see down the core. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, not a laser pointer, that's not what I want. A little finicky. Okay. Okay. Huh. I see, okay. Okay. Huh. I didn't drop it, did I? I don't know where my spring went. I'm going to pop this back cover off. Hopefully that's okay. My spring is not coming out, if it is in there. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, jeez. It shot out. Hopefully that was on film. I could always film this again if need be. There's no problem, just let me know. I apologize for that. I'm gonna put this cover back on and I'll show you the close-up of the pins. You see they're all standard pins right there. Okay. I will put them back in. Okay. We'll put that right there. Make sure it doesn't fall over. This part's the hard part. Making sure, I guess I found from some quick videos you have to push the follower against the pin as after you put the spring in to keep it from shooting back out. I will attempt that now. I'm not the best at it yet. I'm putting the flashlight in my mouth if I don't talk. Apologies, I meant to put 5 in the back first. I will do that again. Okay, 5 is in, I'm going for 4. Oh. Oh. I love the short springs when you don't have to worry about it popping up. So there it is, got my follower all the way through now. So now, I'm gonna line this up. And I don't want the pins to fall into this, so I'm gonna offset it just like it was picked. That right there. Make sure there's no gap when I follow it through. Slow wins the race. Okay, and I am through. Followers out. And looks like it just went in. Okay, now my C-clip is able to slide back into place. Okay, if I could get it, there we are. Wow, that went in easy. Okay, now core is locked again. Here's my key. Functions as it did previously. Okay, there's that. And there was my lockout. Oh yeah, can't put the key in. You gotta turn it back manually. Like I said, this is my first video attempt. If there's anything that was done wrong or not properly shown, I'll be happy to make another video. But there was the Master 410 lockout in red, and my gut and reassembly video of my childhood Titan that I got with my old key. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. I appreciate it, and have a good day.